Hello, my name's Martin. I'm a tour guide at the Rhondda Heritage Park. Can you guess what my job was? Yeah, that's right, I was a coal miner. And I worked at this colliery when it was the Lewis Merthyr Colliery. The miners working underground would work 10 to 12 hour shifts with just the flame of a safety lamp. When electricity came along, it turned out that you could have lights attached to your hat, a cap lamp. You'd also carry a full jack of water. You'd need your water because it was very dusty and thirsty work. As well as your water, you'd carry your sandwiches. Again in a tin box, and that was to prevent the mice eating your sandwiches. Now, the coal was mined by hacking it off the coal face with a mandrel, a pick. Time is running out because I have to go underground myself. But I look forward to seeing you all when you come on your tour.